there. You go see for inside. If I tell you say me if you want me you the man put security code for all the phone. That one go. And come after 9 months, come the girl. You don't know where this attack they come from. This woman is a very strong woman. God. How you live your life? Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, brothers and my sisters. My lovely people out there, is your sister, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload any video, you will be notified. To all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. I love you all. Mega shout out to you. And to all my secret viewers, I love you all. You all are so amazing. Yes, what I mean secret viewers, those people that just view without commenting and without liking. I love you. I love you. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Today I am not too happy because I lost a friend that turned a sister. Yeah. A friend that turned a sister. I lost her. A minute silent to her. May her soul rest in peace. Amen. I pray wherever she are, may the Lord Jesus accept her soul. In Jesus' name. Amen. See, I want to use this opportunity to talk to our women, our ladies, our young ones there. Yes, you are the owner of this video. Yeah. What is happening? What is happening? Uncle, brother, you get sister. If your sister complained that her husband is maltreating her or treating her like that, I say no cause anybody. Just still put your comments below. This matter not be for one person, not be for only woman. And we women, me we dey learn. Now for how long we go dey made mistake? Me we dey learn. Marriage is not a bed of roses. Me we dey learn. Now the woman don't bear RIP now. Who's gonna take care of the 5 kids? You don't bear RIP. Who will take care of the 5 kids? For one man. Okay, let me go there. Let me just open up, tell you the story. I met this woman estate where we live. The both of us, we are only the Benin lady there. She's a Benin woman. I was with my husband. She came with her husband. So we were in this estate together. When she came, I heard she spoke Benin. Now my sister be this, so let me just speak in our local language, English, local language. Now the same when I leave me, Charlie. I know they happy. I got the news today when I was at work. I fainted, like seriously. Not be say I don't faint too. I be one. Let me know your laugh. I don't cry myself out. My dear, more open eye. Wetin dey happen? Waiting. Waiting. Sisters, if you are passing through the story I'm about to say, please cry out. My number is at the back section there. I will not call your name. I will not bring out your picture. If I cannot handle it, I have other able ladies that can talk about the issue, and people will leave their comment. I can come live here and talk about it. I will invite you. You will come there and learn from the story and learn from them. Don't die in silence. Don't die. I don't know wetin kill am. I don't know. So I just want to talk as everything they happen. So this woman meets this man. When he meets this man, they come the date. So when time reach, I go tell Papa say, because now she be the only girl with them born. The mother gave birth to 8 children. 2 of them they Nigeria. 2 of them they Nigeria. The 6 of them they abroad, outside country. Some are in Canada, London, some still there Europe here. So only one day Austria. So after some time, I tell Papa say, see the man where you want marry, introduce and give the Papa. The man come once, twice. So after some days, my Papa called the pikin. This man where you want marry, I dream. You know my spirit no carry on. The woman say, why your spirit no go carry on? But me love her. He say my spirit no carry. No say you be my only daughter. I don't want anything may happen to you. I don't want anything to happen to you. The man said the woman said the boy good though, he love her. As they talk, they never talk. We never fool. They no be that. The boy say na me. Where you dey? Say I dey house. Now the woman say where you dey? Say the girl say the boy say they come your house, so I want to carry you go out. Now the woman say okay, I dey come, I go ready. Now it's okay ready. Wait, I dey come. Now when don't call the call, now the girl say I not tell you. Now the boy don't come. Tell you say the boy love me. Now the man say okay, no problem. I not go marry you. Now they come out. They do. We never take the girl get belly. She get belly. Tell the man say okay, no problem. Leave the belly. Now I tell Papa say I not go marry you. Get belly. The person will get belly say leave and leave am. Me call the family. Come tell the family because the man is not for Benin. Tell the family may come see me. Now they say we. You never take belly. Never even born. First quarter fair come. They do. They say to one. We know say we women not good, but this one, the man is at fault. Later, they not come do introduction again. Now they call, now the man come with carry the woman, say they want come up for Benin. Now they go Benin, come up for Benin, 6 hours away from Benin. I no want measure the name, the state. Now they come out. Now that place will for meet the compound, the estate now will for meet. They did there, and our parent, the woman born the first pikin. When he born the first pikin, quarrel, boom, and so they do. The woman get 100% love for the man, while the man only even reach 40. Everybody know. Yes, the way they do the woman, other things. Today go beat the woman, throw the woman, go, the woman no go. We throw the woman load, come and carry. Yes, that's better woman, it good. I love that. So now so then they do fight today. After 3 children. So somebody, the senior brother, person we see know the senior brother from Benin, he can't call this his brother. Can't find this his brother no, but I can't call him. In one way, can't call this his brother with the Canada. Say, come. Your only sister won't die for the hands of this man. Now the boy say, really? But they call her every time. You know they say anything they happen. He say, now the man call the what did they happen? Say nothing they happen, everything they okay. When the woman they talk to the man, so the woman they outside, the woman never enter house for 2 days. The man not let her enter house for the children. You know if sleep my house because now the same yard. Now only once the woman sleep my house, and I'll see talk the reason why she sleep my house, and the same yard with day. So now I tell her, I say nothing they happen. Everybody do okay. What do you want to make I do for you? The woman say, I want to do business. Okay, which business you want open? You say, okay, he go give you time. The man say, go give you time. You think about him. You tell me the business you want open. So now from there, you can call the husband. They don't settle the issue. The husband calls us, okay, see the business we go open. See, tell us, say, me see buy motor for us. So, they carry the children up and down. The man go beat the woman. He with the woman go quarrel. do everything. The woman go dey the woman no go call am back, no go accept am. The man go Benin. When the woman go Benin, when the woman go Benin finish, the woman don't go see, they call the man, they beg the woman go still run comot for Benin, come meet your husband for where he still dey. And so they come take the do am. So after some days, he come call the brother say industry business wey he wan do. Wey the husband don't tell him. But he not tell the man, say the brother say na the husband. The brother come bring, because if you dey bring the money for business, I want me to see buy motor for my husband. Make my husband see the and the work, because that furniture work, you know, they do they see na furniture the man, you know, they do they see work for year. So that me see and see they carry our children, they go school and up and down. They carry me, they go the market. We want go buy market. And the man say, good idea. You just say if you buy this car for your husband, no go change. You say no, your husband no go change. Say okay, no problem. Now they go ahead. He buy the car, open shop. So later, the woman come, but when they yesterday the woman get the fourth belly, now the people come, the family come, they say, but say, make you take care of those three way you get. He say, you don't know as the thing happen. Now the woman come born the 4 children. So they come deal, the woman they do business. Again one day the man just come ask, man, I don't forget this one. He just come ask, he just called the woman. Stella, they cost me. Stella, they cost me. Go beat am, go slap am. The woman, you wear nika. I see wear nika, the way they come. And I say, Mama Pepe, where you they go? He said, no, he they come. He want to reach outside for them. I see me come there outside the year. Now my sister voice be this one. Now my sister may not be my sister again. Now my sister voice be this. Because you don't be a ROIP. Now I can't come out. Mama Pepe, what did they happen? They talk. So now later she come meet me, say, see wetin happen. I say, this thing you do no good though. Your husband tell you no even, I know say me, I no go gree me person they cost my husband for my present to no. But this one you know they there. Whether your husband toast the girl now call the come, now the girl come, whether the girl insult him, you don't know. You no even ask question, you go there, you want to go fight. You first call the girl, say, see wait, you start, so say your husband no follow you come out. You first say you start, say, ask your husband. Because I know say if you don't go now, quarrel between you and your husband. They say later, I come they say nah true, you don't do and finish before you can realize. And I say, what thing will happen? Go beg the girl. Because everybody now don't dey against you. Come say okay. After then, he never take, they just still get quarrel. As they get quarrel, the man throw away the load, the woman load, go outside, floom, bam. You know, say now estate now, all of them begin come, even the girl will be one go find that one come, they come, they laugh. No. They come see settle all those ones. Everybody know them for the compound. The woman is so cool. But the man is that even the woman not the, if you even though say you tell the woman say he get boyfriend, the husband get girlfriend, you not go talk. They will go. It may not go even, may not even they talk. But even though say you tell her, she not go, you not get time. You know, not get time. But if the man just see new girl, the woman where they are so don't born 4 children now, and the woman she looks, you will not go ever see rapper for the woman waist. The woman is sexy, huge. After 4 children, she still looks sexy. You understand? So, after then, the one day, the woman just there as, the man can say he want travel. He want go outside there. This thing want go outside work for another place. And the woman can say, okay, the woman can go. The man can go. After 4 days, the man called the woman, say, I beg go, see what they happen. He dey stranded though, he need money. He get what he wants money to make the woman carry money, come give her for where she did. For where he did. Now the woman say, but you know what you go do for them now? Those people where you did, that place where you did, they not pay you. Now the man begin to swear for her. You dey crazy? You know what thing that they pass through? You dey mad? What did they do you? And because I ask you money, I mean, not because now you get the money. I ask you whether they die here, you don't know. I ask you say I need money. Now you begin to talk all this rubbish. Where they talk, so what did they worry you? Now the woman, before you know it, the man don't call for the woman. Now the woman call her, only no verse. Because you tell me say now work, I don't know now. It never reach like that. Okay, I want to do the children. Say lock them for his house. If you bring the money, come for me, you will come back, Nana. The woman not tell me. He locked the children for his house. Bam. Now he come out. As he come out, he can't come back for night. As he come back for night, now he can't come my house, he can't come my room, can't knock. And I say, no, Pepe, where were you since? Where you go since? Say, my sister, you no go understand. Say, my spirit, say, wetin happen today, my spirit, they tell me, say, my spirit, I not dey comfortable. Then I say, talk to me. He say, I not dey comfortable. He say, I not dey comfortable. And I say, okay, talk to me. Wetin dey happen? The woman was suspecting at then, say, is it that na 419 or the husband go native doctor place? I say, talk to me. Not way be say, we know. They say the problem solved. A problem shared is a problem half solved. Talk to me. Come tell me, see. You go give your husband money since morning about going and coming back is 10 hours journey. Say at the place where the woman for come wait for her, we for give her the money. See that place, that area. You see for your life, you never know say that kind of place they exist. Say and seriously give her the money. For the man say, go. Actually, you know as to take come. Say yes, go. Enter bus, they go. And go. The woman see enter bus. Zam. For us. The woman, they talk to me. They cry. I say, calm down. Don't worry. The only thing we go do, pray. They pray for them. May God be with them. After 3 days, now the man come to us. They come us. He never reach. They never reach 4 months. When the woman get belly for the 5th children. And meanwhile, before he get this belly, the family tell him say, may go do family planning. The woman really obey. She go where they want for the family. They say me call the husband come. So he get some paper because that place he gets some paper where the husband go sign. Say now he really sign for the family planning. He tell the husband will say today, tomorrow. And so everything they happen. He get the belly finish. Now he call the woman. And he say no even queen no. The belly don't reach 4 months. Come tell the husband say he get belly. The husband say you decrease. You reach belly. You get belly. You know they control yourself. Blah blah blah. That one see break quarrel. You know they control yourself. You know that the woman come to say the time when they tell you say more go plan family plan, you say today tomorrow. And if you they do something with me, if I tell you say no, you not the year, you go see for inside. If I tell you say me if you want me you come out, you go see for inside. That the woman, the man say you decrease. That belly you go come out today. Now he beat the woman. He beat her, kick her for belly. The woman go wake up for hospital. The thing say belly will come out, belly no go. If you want use kick, take come out the belly no go. Then when that belly day, let me say that kind 5 months. Now quarrel come. As quarrel come, the woman boom pursue the woman with the children come out with belly come out. The woman stay for her side for 2 days. I don't know where he stay. I don't feel put her for my house because now the same yard. Now we dey. So after some time, they can't call the papa say see what they happen. Say that the papa say what he said they happen with belle. I beg. He call the pikin. Obi me ajo wakun house. I want more than the I know they're not the pursue bad pikin. They give a snake may chop. No, now you be man. You are the only girl. Come. But get money. Now if they send money, go give the girl. And the girl till the lady take go with the 4 children. Papa can really put her for us. Come stay. He stay belle day 6 months. After he don't spend almost about 2 months. Before I know we not see know what happen. Now the girl run come back again. Fion. As he come back now, the husband not let her enter house because he put woman for his house. Okay, before I forget, I don't jump that one before I don't forget. So that place where the man go, he go do introduction on another state girl. Now introduction go do. That money where the woman go give the man an introduction. He reach there, you know say their money they cost. So the money finish. Now he call the woman make bring an introduction. How the woman tell no say na introduction. Sometimes you see good no they use style they peep our husband for more we know the area who belongs to. I know it's not good na partition. You will still peep. Do like this. You will get them. The man put security code for all the phone, video security, anywhere you want a security. So the woman don't sleep. The man can't say the woman don't sleep. Now he open the code. Now he open code. You know say the woman never sleep till they think. So he can't open the code. Now I see the picture of him and the girl for introduction. They marry. So when you don't open the code, so as the man drop phone, because he they drop the phone because security day. So as he drop the phone, now the woman quickly open her. As he go back, he quickly open her. Now I see picture, video. We they to do introduction. The woman choke. He come meet me. So what did happen? Even the woman not tell the man. He keep on within herself. He tell me, I say, really? He say, yes. Come transfer some for a phone. Show me. Say, see the girl. I say, this girl. You find pass this one now. We talk that one. Now we rest. Oh. We forget about that one. That one go. So after when the woman don't run come back. When you don't run come back, as you run come back, the man say no let her enter house. You not tell me say you dey come. You from Benin dey come. You not tell me say you dey come. The woman dey his house. Now pursue the woman come out. Pursue am, lock door, carry key come out. So as the man come out, the thing they touch me. 6 months. Now that day, now I can't agree make the woman sleep my house with those children. Now that day she can't sleep my house. I say silence your phone. If your husband call you, may not come here stay the ring because now just estate. Even though say no year, you not feel year, but because now flat, she's flat. And she really take silent her phone. So the after let me say 2 days, let me say 2 days, the man call her, where you did? He saying just the roam around the area. He comes okay, come as. He don't do anything he want to finish, and I come as he come as. So before the woman come born the pikin 9 months. And come born after 9 months, come born the pikin girl. As he born the pikin finish, during that place now, we can't come out for the estate, but we still dey contact, talk more, not talk again. No. You can't come out for the estate. She can't still pack, come out for the estate. Where they come pack go, the woman come begin the sick. Before she first start to the sick, so she say she did dream. Say not be dream. Say it be like it be the see am, but it be like say na dream. Come be like say they dig hole for front of her parlor, sitting room. He said that hole. He said, "Cause they pursue the children. Say, wanna commode them, wanna not fall for that hole. He go, we want to cover am. Wanna not fall for that hole." He said, "The baby, they creep, they go. He want go fall for the hole. Now he say, me go carry the baby. I say, want carry the baby. Now she fall inside the hole. And she call me. Now I say, hey, pray, oh, I beg. He never tell the woman big body begin the white. Never I wish one multi body begin the white. He send picture. Say, see what in the past through. See all the body. He go hospital. They say nothing. He face the white. So much time the woman begin the psych. He can't they run mad. Can't they colo? Yes, can't they colo? People can't. The man not Greek call the papa. Sometimes go leave the woman for us come out. So now another person now can call the family say your pikin the colo. Now the husband can call the man call the family can call the husband. Ah, where's my pikin? Where I say pikin not well. All those kids don't tell where they tell us say me go meet the family. No one come out. Matter. You don't wait, they tell us say me go meet the family. You know what come out. He say, don't tell. You know what come out. He still there. Me go meet the family. You know what come out. Hey? Now the family from Benin, Shatamo to come the state. Come carry the woman, go take care of the woman. They can't go take care of the woman. Carry the woman. The woman can't deal from psychiatric to church, from church to hospital, from hospital to church. Spend most the shame the leg. Get one, what you make on the shame? Get one time will be wrong. Enter market, they can't share now. They can't share the woman. They don't see this man during this period though. Now so they do God can't heal the woman can't heal. As the woman can't heal finish, that the family can't beg the woman say, you are not going back there. We don't know where this attack they come from. After she don't born the 5th pikin, the girl, we don't know where this attack is coming from. The girl should be 6 years now. We don't know where this attack will come from. Now the man could say, what you want to do? Now he buy house for inside GRA for Benin. He buy house with the woman name. And they put the woman. You open big shop. When I go the shop, when I go Benin, I reach the woman's shop and I say, wow. And begin to pick the chop. You go say, anything we like take. The woman is so nice. If I want pay, go say, I beg you, they go. I want come out. He say, no, you know, go grill. I must sleep. And I say, no, I don't feel sleep. My children, they ask. He said, no, sleep, I beg now, because I carry ladies tomorrow and go. Why you no carry? I say, no, I not say I not go sleep. So I want come out. So the woman, the children, now I come out. So this woman not the woman can't even they do poetry. Nothing when she not they do. Ah, this woman is a very strong woman. God accept her soul just as the way her heart is. The woman is too good. When everything done better, the woman, you know, feel rest for the man. Go call the husband. Your children say want to talk to you. Go use the children the cover road. The senior one go they say, I don't want to talk to my daddy. They don't want to say my daddy that abandoned us. They don't want to say come and talk. Come and talk. Talk. Hey. Now the daughter now come they talk so. Before he die, he go still talk to the woman. The man will still tell her. The woman will still tell her say they miss you. The man will say they there. One day, night the man called the assistant. Say the woman they call and night the man called the woman say, "He get what you want now. Tell you." Night the woman say, "What you want? Tell me. He need money. Oh. How much you need? He need so money. Motor knock engine. He need money. How much you need? Say 180,000. Night the woman call say, okay, come take. Night the woman go. The man come go. The woman go meet her for your day. The woman say as they go, you know say daughter now, they can't go hotel. Can't go hotel. She go hotel. You know now, daughter now. You know even say come put money for my head. Me everything settled. This woman don't go, Mama Pepe. Why? Why you go? Where you go? Where you go? I wish you listening. Sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I wish you listening. She can't go the hide to see the man. No be say the woman not the flare too. But who know where the stone for come? They called me, they said she's dead. I didn't believe. I called her phone. I cannot call her again. I called her more than 3-4 times. The 5th one. Now the daughter pick. What I'm hearing, is it true? Say yes. My mommy is no more. As you say, my mommy is no more. Call enter me. I don't know when tears they come out. I don't know when tears they come out from my eyes. I don't know. Guys. How you dey live your life? What do you want become? What are you passing through in your marriage? Speak out. If I cannot handle it, I have other ladies that can take care of them, take care of it for me. My number day about there. If you want to talk to me, I will not mention your name. I no go call your name. Are you going through domestic violence? Why did you want to die in silence? This woman don't be ROIB. She go call me, make she not call me again. Where you did the last time we talk. If you want, I still have the message and everything, the WhatsApp we used to talk. Voice record and everything. I can't play it here. No, God forbid. I have to respect her. When you call Nigeria, you know what? If you not get money, I buy ticket for you. I'll still laugh. You want buy ticket for me? Yes, now. I go buy ticket for. I say I go call. Now this coronavirus, I've been want come before this December, but this coronavirus, more just the look out. So if paraventure say, let me say now, okay, let me just buy ticket and go to Nigeria. Mama Pepe, I not go see you again. Ah, waiting. Man, waiting we do. Waiting. We women, why we not they use our HQ? Waiting. Am I dreaming? No, I'll go play our voice record later. Might see whether maybe na she, then I'll call back again. I don't know. She is no more. What? Am I? Is it true? Mama Pepe, are you hearing me? Are you there? Just talk to me. If you are there, tell me you are there. Just talk to me. Talk to me. That was how I lost her. She's finally dead. Guys, in your own opinion, what did you think? Who you think say I kill this woman? Wetin kill her? I don't know kill her. I no fit talk. Before this thing happen, the man say one can carry the son, the first son. Now the woman say, you know, fit give you my first son. If you want carry the son, I go follow. We go gather. All of us go come. Now the man got to say no. Now the son he need first. Now the woman say no. You know, if you give you my son, the son stay with me. Okay, now when the man don't die, you say the woman don't die. The son they will carry her now because already the woman don't die. Who go they take care of the son? Now to carry her and give the man now. Now for the man to carry the son. Now yes now. You go carry her because he's above even though say they carry her and go court. Now the man picking. You go carry her. Yes now. Go carry the son. Guys, open your eyes. Be wise. Be wise. What are you passing through today? You need somebody to interfere in that situation. A problem shared is a problem half solved. Don't say person of his solve, but it's half solved. What are you passing through today? What do you they pass through? Brother, sister, speak out. Speak out. All right, guys. So if there's anything you want me to talk, if you need my help, my number is at the bat session there. Go and take my number, call me. I will not make sure your name as Avelia said. Be wise. Leave your comment at the comment section. Brother, if this woman now your sister, what thing you go do? Maybe you go to talk, say, what thing na devil they talk. So I want me come for the husbands. No, I no want. But now make you reason if now your sister, now what thing you go do? All right. I love you. See you in my other video. May God bless you. Please comment below. God bless you, God. May God bless you.